Typically, people will associate ISAs as the most tax efficient asset they can invest in. The reason being is that growth inside and upon withdrawal of the ISA is typically tax-free. A pension, on the other hand, does not give you tax-free income on withdrawal, only 25% of the outstanding pot size at the time you access your benefits. So how can a pension be more attractive on a tax saving front? Well, let's assume as an example of a higher rate taxpayer here, this is someone with income in excess of £43,633 in Scotland. For every £60 that this individual pays into a pension, the provider automatically tops it up with a further 20%, and then they can reclaim a further 20% once again via self-assessment directly with the HMRC. This money can then be reinvested back into the pension, provided that the client meets eligibility to make further contributions, or indeed spend in other areas. We would recommend a pension reinvestment here. A basic rate taxpayer can pay £80 into a pension and receive a £20 top up to make it £100. Now, if you went into a bank and you gave them £60 in cash and the bank offered to top that up to £100 for you, guaranteed, is that something you would do? For most, it certainly would be. The key difference in this scenario is that instead of a bank, you're investing into a pension. Of course, you pay tax on the way out, as we previously noted. However, as a higher rate taxpayer, you achieve 40% tax relief into the pension, whilst you pay 20% tax on withdrawal, assuming you're a basic rate taxpayer in retirement, which the majority of people fall into. This is a guaranteed uplift to 20% of the pension fund, not taking into account any investment growth. As financial advisors, we cannot offer guaranteed growth, but what we can guarantee, for the time being at least, is tax relief, which is guaranteed by the government. For me, this is the best way of using government funds to tax efficiently grow your portfolio without having to make the full contribution. And with proper planning on an ongoing basis, ensure you remain a basic rate taxpayer living within your means.